everyone.
Hi.
Today we learn position word. Which words? Position word. Here is in, on, under, next to, behind and above. Okay? Okay? Now start. Near, next to. Very good. Aditya above. Very good. Yes. Yes. Tanuja behind. Where is behind? Very good. Are we under? Are we under? Very good. Priyansi on. O-N on. Yes. Very good. Now Shivya in. Oh wow. Good. 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 Clap. Hi. So start. Position word start. Okay. Vedant under. Where is under? Yes. Very good. Shivans next to. Very good. Viraj behind. Viraj behind. Where is behind? Behind. Behind. No. Yes. 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 Others on. Very good. Zwin in. Very good. Abhinav above. Where is above? Yes. Very good. Clap for him. Hi. Start. Start position word. Okay. Now Hayan. Hayan above. Hayan. Hayan જાઓ. Yes, very good. Shivansh on. Yes. Divyanshu under. Vedant next to. Vedant next to. Very good. Priyansi behind. Yes. Ab now Viraj in. Yes. Clap for. Yes. Yes. Very good.